Hello everyone, my name is Deepen and today I'm going to talk about AMD based gaming PC which is gonna cost you guys 24,000 rupees only. So if you guys are looking for a budget gaming PC build, this will might help you to decide what components to choose from. Link to all the components are given in the description box. So now let's get started. First, let's talk about the processor. In this build, I am choosing AMD Ryzen 3200G, which comes with 4 cores, 4 threads, clocked at 3.6 GHz, and inbuilt Radeon Vega 8 graphics, so you don't need any external graphics to play games. This processor costs around 7,959. Second is motherboard, and for the motherboard I am choosing MSI A320M A Pro Max, which supports first, second and third gen AMD Ryzen and Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, supports DDR4 memory up to 3200 mhz and also has M.2 slot. Of price of this motherboard is 4200 rupees. Third is RAM, for which I am choosing ADATA XPG-MX T30 8GB DDR4 3000 mAh RAM single stick, or you can choose two 4GB sticks also, but you don't need more than this for now because we don't have any graphics card. Price of this RAM is 3746 rupees. Fourth is storage, for which I am choosing Seagate Barracuda 1TB HDD at 7200 RPM. This HDD comes at 3336 rupees. If you can spend 2k extra, then I will suggest you guys to buy a 120GB SSD also to install Windows, that will boost the computer performance greatly. If not, then the HDD will also do the job quite well. Fifth is SMPS, for which I am choosing Antec Atom V550, which costs around 2279. This will get the job done very well, or if you want more reliability, you can go with Corsair VS 450, which is more than enough to power this PC. The last thing we need is cabinet, and for that I'm choosing Antec NX 200 RGB. This is a nice and mid-tower ATX cabinet you can buy. It will cost you 26,000 rupees only. Okay, so these were my suggested components if you are looking to build a budget gaming PC under 24 or 25k. With this build, you can play almost all the games from low to medium settings without any issues. Vega 8 is quite a capable GPU for low-end PCs. You can check on YouTube for more reviews. So now the total price of this PC is around 24,170 rupees. If you add a SSD, then it will go up to 26,200 or 300 rupees. And in future you can add a graphics card like RTX 570. After that, this PC can do 1080p gaming without any issues with high settings. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.